to Abreport Junction areas. Yes,
they 8 years just within 1 year 7 months now. President ne honorable Agujada Roma. Ne kaso e wo ho nyina ale ya make sure say appearance.
Rango
$30 million. Nina had been made available to him. He has no
excuse be anyhow.
Only excuse be. Until now we are doing day and night. So and you may be able to be as na or ye juma. And basically that is it. Oh, you so me more friend be painting and me man, my precious visual art students no. I didn't know that. Yeah, fun one can when I said what's Akoma no one I don't know. It then get the back count. So for line interchange. And so for over 16 years. This year, we're committing to completing and then taking possession. And all these years,
last time doing a contractor no on top pa no yeah. I've seen some of the born and maybe a good down, sir. Yeah, I said that could I talk a cry.
They can't almost check here.
They won't be no. You have when you say I can't be your heart. I can't bear me and some first contractor by side. It will say who can. They say they can't once a they will get there. Because some of them have been there myself.
And there is this year, but taking over projects.
Okay.
No handing over my into. All right, well, yeah, asphalting.
So this is it, yeah.
Asphalting, no. And basically, and make you more liquid on between that person. To move you no hand over the amount this year. Street lighting problems, then I want to stress. Now you're connected to grid. Cables, no copper. It's a very valuable. It's not a comfort. And all that. And now commitment from Energy Commission, Road Ministry, Energy Ministry say, I'm converting in solar. And that's part of a Juma Ria warrior and over convert solar. So that we will be able to have that place
so
that we can fix that. Yeah, not so California from say no more uncommon. Because I want
more down.
You to me, Nana, sir. I won't say the mention higher facility. I see. It drew on I see.
I see.
Because you man,
so corridor might be a crowd.
By once a honest year, landscaping and any urban rules from Eddie who come out to see how best to be able to give it a facelift. At least you real commercial, at least now so who cost a full line or cost serving. You are able to have all these. Beyond that, my friends say, so why are you saying and so acquire BB? And home by in 7 years, the cake. Prior to that, no, road minister Abama Yakushi 24 ahead of Akoma expression. All right, so I rode the one pattern when you see a some piano, you of a crew. You see a honor. The new entry into Ashanti region through the Akoma Express Road now. The Banity say well roads nene Abidjan Kwanta holding nan. Yes, so among adopting no fanka big push no home. Uncle Insta President Honorable Kwame Abuja. So muti asopom. And you know one word in a uremu and they omo asphalt no marie for side holding na so mo dey free problem.
Okay.
At the bar sababisi Sewa Junction.
Okay.
You may become ye Sewa Crona Casamuno. In the honor. Now was on to a year gutters and animal. Is there a man metro said, you know, we are never a cock focus one. Sabi obituma because would the demand my contractors in that doors one. No more some could to say no basa. I face and Zika some muko come kakra. Now this is one but say at least the amount watching the year. Even say 10 kilometers and 15 kilometers, what mean the real and no na or twice then it helps put a Juma in perspective. Into we are Krona and Casamuno, obey Gattes, Naman, no year free. Beyond that, Abidjan Quanta to
Mako.
Hey, anyone to the power.
Contractor coffee shop buy the first person. The call video. Also Mako.
Abidjan Quanta to a year. Kuntasia and also now I call a just so quaso a seeing pong a dear call
baby Amakoye a just so on me
no other
home my first
oh yes fantastic
you see what track on you chrono on you around about you what track a corner nima or twas fantastic I've been there
hey and you move police
and
no more you see it's helpful because at the end of the day if or slack here now or store there you're able to contact easily. There is 1-2 from Agogo to Mame Krobo. So 124 kilometers. What is happening is Obia Wako Accra Oko Eastern region, you are forced to go through Nkoko or go through Abri or go through Accra and all that. President Bessian connected cities, in a very smart way.
Okay.
And it's now connected Kumasi to Accra using the expressway. Yeah, connected Ashanti to Eastern region on the Eastern corridor.
Okay.
And quite from Agogo to Mosikrum to Mame Krobo.
Okay.
And so 14th January this year, and a catch a sword with her contractor no her or your home.
Okay.
And now go town roads in one yes, a highway.
Okay.
So I want you to also go and then pay
ever try
that place. Now, if we a man can so at the Barbesi Mopa, at the Barbesi Tabre. And also attach you alcohol. Hey, what you know?
No pictures and videos in now.
Wow.
But now me fast to say name foot thrown that doorson. Attach you how
me
chamuno. In fact, enunti na kwana ka ho ye call man can so correct other thing. But na kwana ka I wanted to observe it because near the home command so waba. Timidru no na kakra no adru mopa ho no. Ha timidru na me videos kakra. Just that home foot thrown into me to see. And me to I know say you so attach you so yeah.
Or commitment be required so but you see say the makano baby a problem no pa ne baby a wo ye no would the free abu kwade kwata abre na kwan ne ye wo commitment with him to dualize. Don't say if we kwada so tan or so abu kwani na dualize.
A man say until double road.
They say
I me to ayo a fufu party I be into me to ayo na who's on my mark structures. One of them say na we
watch the vow
and I'm saying na we omo ye dey no say omo so mbe kwan double.
Dualize no.
Say here na so boa. O nema na wo ton ho ntia here. Yeah. So on attach ya na ya bedru ho.
And so on na be dualize from abu to Tabre. Omo as a tobut. And yama the friend is saying assemblies, which is Echmong of the North and Echmong of the South. I'm marking for demolition so that we will clear the right of way on that corridor. But as I said, once a coin a cry fine, the person baby to na basabasana fi akokamu na bibi. Just we esrono. We are feeling no best started. So that we will not have a similar way. Patasi, and say, dualize city no, baby a traffic. No one be bringing never see a dualizing until you are Patasi, Santas and about 1 lane. But you dualize from Ahondo to Santas. You dualize from Bekwai runabout to Santas runabout. From Santas runabout to Amoakohene, dualize. Kofi Jobu Twaso on the Anyan Quanta until you become Patasi. Yes, Santas runabout so full line. And also China drew the same contractor. Our commitment to dualize that space for us. Nancy, I'm going to start right of way in clearance. I come back and so moon to Mubasi. Only so full line and hand over my the quite Santas. That's stretch. Only no for my one. Yeah, who say there are alternate routes are cars in between, but what to do and my affair. I didn't know ya matina move but okodi traffic mu 2 hours na ve no homete and the anka wo ye no nkoma so nom dia reward dia ban no na sa dia bufu aba even where a free be quiet to Santas na ya shane say on concentrate on the left side no one sa left side na asphalt na bibie enye na movie cars ni na sa kwan na ye no so ansa no go back to the right side no kwakọ ye no so ye ama ye ya anya o musa na ya ntimi a regulate adwuma na construction wise in but is to blend whichever development with society any woman needs so far as how you are coordinating the issues are concerned. So basically those are the things that are happening so far as roads, town roads. I mean your Bambacas in the Dikumasin don't pass it for town roads as I speak of a cargo good Edra town roads because Edra Satasu Bridge.
Yes.
Satasu Bridge boo and I said you from Amoakohene. You are a year and anom 8 years. A man and being heritage. Nago Ponchade, honorable Bujama Mediman was President Abway, it may be Satasu Bridge a Monday master year and to obey asphalting so that we'll be able to connect Sa Highway. Sa Highway is now connecting all the way from Swami Interchange, the Bessinako, Asnomason Quanta, Mampo, Edra, Sa corridor. Beam na and also no as I mentioned no yempese omeba abedu tutu na ebewie no Omo tutu no cast me use say but ombedutu no na akoye bibi basa and sa ehon na wo commitment in making sure be sa akoye no and you know so mbe any faces so that at the end of the day enkoye dey say you tutu akoye eye ni nyina na contractor and was no be taking a year or two on that outstretch no so those are the
bridge na buy na Akoma de nkomo no nyina EDB echo just across the country be nkomo na man for born film why would you move man pon why would you just say I take it shape my okay okay I've seen the pictures
ba ko atwea ho no omudwa ebo no ansa no mutime pai ekwan no do mudwa abo no call from ntia man nsuo free asase na semanti a free area holding now me surface dressing no kwa but ka say ne sa nsuo no be say no and the contractor dey variation by honorable Abuja approve together with some rules for Mamponi and contractor beba so enche adansi so kwa so nya approve as a contractor beba ho enche ana akufrum such a farm place your friend say edujama ana mankranso or real so once you so side on so many some approvals contractor no eba so drop so jeduako
and a feeder roads right
okay omo bridge problem bi afram Nigeria na for mo and omuntimi cross here and all that they only so ma be home steady say they share budget to be able to support them but the medical bubble so na be approval that is with roads it will crack it will be like roads so hospitals
hospital already can agenda 111 but minister before you move on to the other sectors no akwani de no contractors no omu nyina ban ahwe mo a omo form nsa mekeka nya ho
big push no ahwe mo and they push
okay I see
and I said the ahwe mo no so no ye hwesom de be wie na obi te se we hu anu ani ade wa e de ma nko de se we de na de ya ha na de ya de obi wie na nyina da so ye dust
ti de okoso no ye so adwuma wie na wakofo frost okay
I see
okay
no hospital yeah Kenya's Medical Center and it's been 16 years abandoned president through get fund and make it available 400 million Ghana cedis to concert I know so as I speak with the contractor or your okay and for the first time Dr. B will confirm from a cardiac problem now was a fly in a car unfortunately well, he couldn't make it the point is that with cardiac related issues a matter of time you race against time if you're not going to intervene you lose the patient until under Amoakohene president decided say in a cardio center in terms of your commitment to complete that this year in terms of cost war Confanochi as I speak with you now under Confanochi na IGF for more pharmacy complex and a staff complex health minister by beyond all this Amoakohene so idea what you say what health insurance for instance insurance it's a car insurance maybe say the subscribe or government gives you money you invest you pay for services whatsoever have mandate in infrastructure they don't have mandate in to say the and the education ministry once you will get fund the infrastructure scholarships and medical research among others and the health sector and there is no such funder a boy in that regard or a road maintenance fund but we're under health why a health insurance which is an insurance and cannot have a mandate of bringing up infrastructure in order say young collapse health insurance not a system when they decided to say young all capping health insurance and now between last year and this year on an average of about 9.2 billion and they're making available and at the NPP highest something here around 5.5 billion and we went from 5.5 billion to about 9.2 billion what it means is say health insurance is liquid institutions some more claims could be and they are able to sort them beyond that another level of care about Amoakohene it's Amoakohene apart from complicated disease conditions from Utriano they're helping with infrastructure and they're helping with retooling of the hospitals and to retooling the hospital we need CT we need MRI we need mammograph any PET scan Mahama Care, and no health insurance in Timina. Mahama Care, and no Eddie Amaya. There can be medical training. And where recently health minister Bayamaye, the inauguration ma nurses are omokoye specialty in endocrinology, cardiology, additional specialties, oncology among others. I know Mahama Care air supported with training among others. In order to be many specialties are treating NCDs, that's a non-communicable diseases. Lastly, and Mahama Care with medical research. And for medical communities, medical schools, professors, if there is any medical research they need to undertake, health insurance ain't mean mouse. I don't know. Mahama Care is helping with that. It's basically these are the infrastructure and to confirm not your my assessment in they provide them with CT, MRI, and all the other equipment. In the other health, comprehensively, we want to make sure say every level is catered for. The Akoma and the mean more updates and I'm glad to say Miami or free region defense ministry on so everybody definitely I'm sure say bit more resolve here a ferry
yes now come busa once
yes ferry and no last check national security together with finance and then defense ministry they have a committee we have not been able to conclude with the negotiations so far and no commitment I cannot communicate here but the member was you in we have commitment on it. This camera contractor back to site and I say your commitment to opening this year. And
the chips compound
definitely 73.
As we speak, ABI are ready for commissioning.
About 6 of them have already been commissioned.
Okay.
And I mean now, so mind you, now was started this year because last year near the year once the procurement process no one be for competitive tender you have problems with and 1 year 7 months new projects you may use about 6-7 months in doing that and many of these projects are in 73 don't now we started this year.
Minister on education they're more specific because of other ones they are not assemblies or more air handle because I am told to say as part of the arrangement common fund or more air share blocks are only for the basic.
You see, they are restricted on that.
Okay.
What they are doing is they are looking at KG blocks and that this was looking at KG blocks, 3 unit classroom blocks and 6 unit classroom blocks, and as provision of school furniture. So these are the ones being done under common fund.
I'm looking at the senior high school because
they
are per the plan. Someone I'm catching say by 2027. So they say most of the double track system the boss end at the end region you be cost behind the scene projects be cost because I mean sometimes we think community the other side let's say mobile fashion can education or free senior high some will be here for Ashanti region there na cost
maka a friend say districts
basic
in the basic as I speak with you now 105 there about projects individual projects now districts get fund at my 117 projects across 31 district assemblies. 31 senior high schools.
31
senior high schools.
And project is 107.
Me want the pictures in the slides in the video. More follow and National Youth Festival, and I did a presentation on that. And the 31 senior high schools are benefited from 116 projects in Abano.
Akoma 87.
Nancy, I'm a call Jabin Senior High School. For instance, I could inspect the work that is ongoing. More boys dormitory, girls dormitory, a 3-unit classroom block, and then a 5-unit teachers bungalow. The teachers bungalow so come. And he said they were inspecting roads. Machado Jabin Senior High School. Community Day Senior High School. And also once a community day senior high school is here. The boys and girls dormitory. Classroom block and a teacher's bungalow. I can one so contractor warrior as we speak now. Your friend is on SHS. A house so dining hall kitchen, 3-unit classroom block, boys and girls dormitory, ho as I can tie no so beko asaman I am person make Akoma se dey go na you overly
yes
asaman ye such asaman na say so me ko ho a kunadu yadom kunadu yadom no ha omo campus no back what this side and be the phantom on the other side 2016 no ye commission girls dormitory ho e be see normal news da and what our president here say you move additional facilities in so that we will be able to have them utilize the project and then be able to have them use same here the dining hall with a modern kitchen or construction costs and you move teachers bungalow no and so we see 4 units at their morning and almost see classroom block 3-story classroom block a honum as I speak with you now. St. Joseph's Mampong okay almost see more a 3 units 3-story classroom block
okay
apa SHS the same and Besiase and Kofiase SHS almost the same Louis it will be MP 2025 January we publish a list.
I may also react
say wako who are the contractor mobilization handover of site and sana it maka champions one san ko no ko
okay but the okay no hand it over
no the maka once we publish 77 at the start of the year are ongoing
okay.
And the
so in coming days, you will hand over more
projects.
Okay.
Beyond that, you upgrading some category B schools into category A, and some category C schools. 87.9 in the and the World Bank facility and Kansas, many of the big schools like category A, even existing Prempe, Uwas, and all that, many additional projects to be able to enhance what they are doing.
Okay. Safe no joining the Ashanti Regional Minister and Eguso Edin Komo Dr. Frank Amoakohene and no Edin Komo. O message you betimi di aba and Akoma 87.9 on Facebook. Ado di aba. Minister, one major issue mining. Illegal mining. Se me musawa. Never just any one. Here's me bisaw. Illegal mining in Ashanti region. Adia from afar, the Ehu and the Ayetino. It seems the government is not serious in fighting the illegal mining.
You see, the customer is always right. Except the partisan customer. Yes. About more dear politics. I don't go back and forth with citizens. And see, illegal mining, you can't watch mama. Irrespective of whether say or papers will need papers once I'm not Hong Kong, we will talk about it and discuss that. And I mean, that is if we don't create a monster of it, at the end of the day, there will be no agency to fight it. But as a government, you have such a priority, say they attack a problem. One, you say we came to inherit this canker. It's an illegal mine. Campaign time, and they also can problem. And people were having higher expectations beyond everything. To know Obi who is about 1 year 7 months or saying is like a illegal mine or not. So we appreciate all these issues, campaign related, politics related, and all that. But beyond all these issues, what are the real progress and how can we track it?
Okay. But so, we are now Chino.
And then now then yes. Yedika ye yensu and ye forest. Okone son. In the case of what tackling at a time one, you may not be able to do any other thing as a government. Into issue and the forest. First, then go for bosses in forest in the filling stations in our forest. President John Mahama, Honorable Lands Minister,
87.9.
Amaboa, yes.
Aboyama and the filling stations in you free. Your friends say forest structures are not mobile forest and as I speak with you now, there is no forester. Ubetumaka said there is an establishment over there as a mining, illegal mining establishment in any of your forest. Problem is that's what with forest you say, including Ben no. work up on daytime, no more kohanaju. Into the 9 months, I could daytime, no more kohanaju. How do we solve that problem? And the other so forest, there were sentimental. What can you now so chair settlements? And no matter the number of men you may not be able to police all these areas now 24/7. And which of the forest and a war huge economic and social consequence on the people. Forester a ben in Sua Yenom. Why I sent most of you in every dams neighbor or wabi any barricades. And the dams need any problem with dams. And now but some reserving as a recreational dam. But there is a stream and a river, and no a provided water a section of the region, which is the Oda River. I war Oda treatment plant. And see, we had a problem, and I was saying Shatisa dam down because of illegal mining. Now we had a partnership with UK government, Omabwayama Numri section of the Oda forest around that basin. As I speak with you now, Yabo structures so forest is near blue water guards, and Najo daytime, they're able to protect the forest and protect that river for us. And as I speak with you now, that is what we have done in solving the problem of the forest entry at night. In other areas, yapam woman, you know, whistleblower a year, then we move in and then clear them, make arrests, and do prosecutions among others. Beyond that, President has set up 9 months. Because your friend was a Ufi Kumas in you'll be inefficient. Okay. It was set up 9 months, and 9 months, no more 4 centers for Ashanti. Ebi wo Achumamponia, ebi wo Dwaso, that's a center side, ebi wo Obuasi side, and ebi wo Manso side. And what happens is say any alert be able to be and the 9 months establishment they are closer to the place and to be able to help us in that regard.
I see.
So these are the clear commitments from government. The next one has to do with river bodies. And no na yema di ekutu nkofoko training wo as blue water guards. And as I speak with you now, any obia wade chamfan besi and a one leg besi should be as much as first now this 1 month and it doesn't happen now because we have people who are patrolling the rivers every now and then.
So ebi mutimi nya kwan ko but omukwa
I won't check the first no now ultimate channel. And then make say oh it's only was said that because all the water guards near lining so now from Ofen pra started free Ofen as a different mampoku no for Ofen so you can't do that until you go there or you get an alert, you go there, you clear them. And no frustrate you almost what happens is it becomes non-profitable business for them. Also take a crown TV. And we are come 3 or 4 times then you know at the end of the day will be better so on Fanco. What are the commitments? Machines normally say Nankasana Diana money to a phone. In time past, not me import teach and finance and money back unrestricted. President are restricting her and they Uber import any of these equipment, you need clearance from the friends say Lands Ministry or Transport Ministry to be able to do that. These arrangements did not exist. Excavators, first now and they you need clearance from Lands Ministry, Road Ministry, or Transport Ministry to indicate say Ajuma what they buy by ye and san ye be jam out the excavator back Kurimu. So you see, we are not there yet. But I think that these are key commitments. We cannot shelve them.
I see. So far, nipa saying na motimia so mu in the region, and the narrative said, "Abano muankasa munkro for frustrated the fight." It is saying
that's it. Figures Nadia, I'll refer you to 9 months.
Okay,
and you see, if there are any issues within the regional, Mencom Forestry, they write to the DC.
Okay.
Then the DCs will trigger 9 months to work on them. Or arrest prosecutions, 9 months together with Ghana Police Service. And I think say questions that will be something about illegal mine. One of these days, get 9 months directly.
Okay.
And then put it to them so that they also know that you have an eye in whatever they are doing. That is to tell you, say, if government here interested in frustrating the work they are doing, most definitely we won't create that form of independence for them.
Okay.
No, can say about started from as regional minister. I was receiving a lot of party people in my office who who were coming to either plead on behalf of one minor or the other.
I party for
Party for
Omo pacho.
minor way there. Munjano and yachiwe excavator munye say what they mention. And so ba no abusa me na me regional secretary and sana me be regional minister. Minimum. And to that now we are mining na impo ye bra aye campaign ye hu popo ye bia. And after we interrogate mine and now we time now start here mining. Also maybe 2018, 2017. So it predates even year power. So what it came out here said they were only fronting for the miners.
The party for the anymore.
The anymore.
You call minister Bema
Kwan. President Muhammad decided say we minister na we di agro. Now do nsa ko hye enema remu. Na ho ko ba asem a ene obeda okwan. A free president strictness no. Yes you communicating my party for and say wa na wo yo. Obi ni akoko die animu. Emesi anim emeka ho asem. I can tell you on authority say this some months after the started administration, the party people are not able to come before us say we a party ni ntie bia waye bonisi yenya no ntie bia oye na ade a na bibia o hye ne ba bi no ye dey oye na ade ene de menu ni asema asem ma o achi a o mani bi ni a de kochewa wa wasema. But unlike first na nanka abaye no na kom dia kokodro ba
na RCC say minister we dey honey
we party ni party president mama say obi beka say party here sika or the party here sika yes ana o say galamsey no ene die na kotro no you tune for akonya so and those the party here sika ba na say so no ho ye Ghana fo ahia na o say kokoto ba ye kutu. And how will people even know the difference between the reset and then the past? And I can tell you on authority say after that transitional period no party ni bia dimi na ogodron fa obi ni nanim so what nearby regional minister on say.
But I don't take away the fact that ebinum ebetimi aye bia say they can send it
guesswork.
Okay,
what they mention as guesswork. And you see president are making a bold statement about all these issues about illegal mining and name me chairman asamato no do your party ni now so about the board no once you be film now so koye now so your chewa
the man so be. Okay, I see. Enti also so e de no yebrene ko. In fact nanka nkomo e be 2 hours cry kan so ye
only legal mind there's a twist to it where you who say pits no majega no kumu ko so 23 in the period and there were 19 of them and yet me find the body no 4 aka me find the body even as at now. And what national security nadmo boy say omo ye illegal mine no ko pam omo mine bio amnam na so deda ho na hofu efu a obi ko afu mo no kokotum no kokowu. So what do we do? These areas ni na yan trying and reclaiming answer a cause these deaths. And together with lands ministry, EPA, Mencom and the other technical teams they are giving out an opportunity for those reclamation works.
Yeah, more yes, I know na Alaji I see. Minister, you're no code but I think it's a bit much about 3 issues. And my question free me here by now the tourism minister I mentioned National Theatre, right?
National Theatre.
We didn't come on copy myself. National Theatre or can once, but according to the minister, the tourism minister, also about Hano, or share the amphitheater and cultural center. No, na omo hese omo be here no na be omo movie to a bit of how movie to the National Theatre. But you don't know about this amphitheater cultural center there no because creative vanity omo and you know so here can be event ni nema hodo a ni nyina akodi nkran na high
and as if creative one day one need to say me buy as regional minister minimum
oh yeah I know sure. I mean, yeah,
all sectors in we are covered. Why does so creative art school get fan adopt
okay
amphitheater cultural center hono so no nanka o me so be 2022
yeah
Akoma FM 87.9
president person fan share 2027 budget
okay
this year near budget provision for National Theatre now specific for land acquisition and design of same. It's been executed by the Black Star Experience, Rexoma team.
Yeah.
And to my by Otu Farmer as around parks and gardens. So,
Oh, okay.
my design BB.
Oh, okay.
On that side, no, it is fulfilled for this year.
So the next phase, near budget
phase,
for the project.
Budget for the project, Nankasa. And you know, so no, per conversations, no. If I say starting about hotels, all the other ancillary facilities, and you say next year budget, no, whichever provision will be made under it, no. Kakre be able to start it there, and you have starting and complete. Instead, say the day is coming in at the assassin get down, and say a hotel at time be able to wellness car or start to be able to start it. Main auditorium on a car, then you know you are investing that in the main auditorium. So you'll be able to complete it because you see there are times we start here. Government for banners and the priorities are different. Now, I'm going to say President Mahama, why is any legacy projects and and basically under the creative, these are 3 major activities and events within the regional ecosystem.
Okay. 24-hour economy market. There were reports be brave. Fact. The recent one, the CEO Askramampom. Setri Dumase Community Bank. There was a coffee, and the way the whole structure coffee, be a legal issue. And only other areas. The areas we say maybe a day cocrano community na him for so it means that you are near consultation here. Minister, some of these things, especially the about Askramampom, we are aware of near cost or any other areas. 24-hour economy market.
24-hour economy model centers with markets.
Okay, that is it.
Yes.
24-hour model center with
markets.
Market, okay.
Because you see, our bank room, you see, center about bank room, about school room, about clinic room, about fire station room, about police station room, and some our lockable shops and our open stores room. So all these packaged at one area. And the concept itself is called University Point. There's a night market where you can always go there, have anything you want to, irrespective of the day, the time, whatsoever. And the president decided, say, many of you, so let's see how best we'll be able to enhance it. What's anti-mantem crowd specifically? Ya for any abusing for Edi Japa. Edi Japa. Baby, I'm a quiet problem. Be it's one day I solve it. It's not someone so monte.
Baby, aircon.
Obia so pay. Baby, aircon was so pay. And no buffer so pay.
But Minister, baby, also airqua. Maybe well, you know, you need a technical eye in addition. What you say, almost marketing below. Now, the purpose project neighbor, you need to me achieve
it. When you avert your minds to the data of the district assemblies, so every month, every year, they publish a district level report, which captures more local economy, more population, already existing facilities and all that. At any time there are problems, we avert our minds to that data. Because I mean, what you may be seeing may be different from the actual economy of it. To be able to help and resolve them. Maybe what we are doing is say, and the PPP arrangements, you know, additional facility for the other community almost. But at the end of the day, you just echo a booming a local assembly enough revenue. Similar problem with Afua it's not be done north between Barakesini and Sofia. The project was settled for Sofia. Barakesi so open. So what we have done is say you enter into an arrangement here. They when they are kokoye Barakesi. At the end of the day, you know, what is befitting of a Sofia, what is befitting of.
I see.
A similar thing with Adujama. Abeswa.
Yeah.
Any Adujama itself.
Oh, yeah, I'm a district.
Adujama Kasa or market.
A district, no.
And under UDG, secondary city projects. There are recent extensions view market where we are even yet to commission it. But the Ohene a petition a bed term and no, the more argue you say a 100 bank main highway. anchor for any accidents too much. And the honor for Kronina no. And Johanna Anya assassin, I think about 10 acres. Our person can movie project new free.
Akoma
Okay.
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Abisma for no so makoye announcement or why Abisma for no nim say project near day. Eba ho. And no so be a bit of a problem. Tiano so you make arrangement you bit me provide to solve the circumstance. As a mampon, a similar a quite different issue per the briefings I have received. I'm told that the bank has been there for a while now.
Yeah, over 30 years.
That they didn't have title to the land.
Okay.
And they are not taking steps in doing so.
I see.
Until the assembly made a request to have access to the place for the assembly.
Akoma FM
I'm told they have given
87.9
them
Kumasi.
notice of eviction.
Okay. I know you're briefing when you're from the
assembly.
Okay.
For a while.
Then
now.
I also any bank reading come on.
And I'm told the bank was in court to seek for a restriction or a restraining order on the assembly to undertake any demolition whatsoever. Until say I got in the news to say the demolition has been executed. I'm told that there are still issues pending. If we are, I'll engage with the chief executive, then find out what the current issues are. But the point is that when to say the Oko chop by Biom, yes, or Munha
Akoma
I
FM
who may your brow
Hey.
or Kruma.
Okay.
And if I know, baby, I want to know. I say, what higher Juma now? At the end of the day, she is here too, and Nancy has moved because of but at the end of the day, who consider the general benefit of the facility to the assembly, then you only expect say.
Minister, where there because of your time in tea, some of these concerns are about the amount. Now what you want to
Okay.
And pay or say Saman Kwabri area ho. I was so much enye. Airport runabout. Airport runabout. Sir, airport runabout na nkasa so. Kwano Sebia na eba rules for koye ho adwuma. Acha bebe months or two na asan so 8 to 20 also dey no. Me nia ba ko Facebook e friend na Basapon. Na ba opon sorry. Also wo Hafano Southeast. There's a bia wo kan wan se ya. O say me kan kire na me musa o say the Jama community senior high plans be na mo wode ma omo because I say the school is facing inadequate supply of chairs, tables, affected learning environment. Into minister here other Roma ya na wahwe e de amaye. E na Abdul Latif Agahoa I say I say illegal mining no or kai obi o se srewa eno na ha party no origin munti monhwe na munye ho adwuma mfamaye. Now sound no more my na the ne de free akrofrom or say akrofrom Omakwan and one of the areas
Omanya approval
one of the areas now me MP din come catch and say catch a minister because a hon name seat na manya nti e was a development ko pa gidi pa ne other areas other constituencies are and also
Omanya approvals be contractors
okay I see and na we so here to chrome a chem e wo e ho ye ejiso I also mo kwan in your cry if I terrible pa me am afa so that very terrible nti the mayama onwefo mo fa bi nso mfa ho ma mo na mo level so the mo cry at least
airport runabout problem no urban roads for no every from the man and me do no say honey say I'm saying the either 90s ho baby no omule Ghana water lay pipes be because outside no then they leaky in the time ya no
but omo two pen o omo two ho no pen because omo two one kasa two pipes need
there also trees.
Okay,
that's one option. The other option is also change the whole in pavement. These are the two proposals of there. But I can say in the interim, I'm going to fix.
Okay.
Whilst you have a permanent fix.
Okay.
It's basically that's the problem with airport runabout.
Okay. And now, security no, you better lightning. So we can't idea so full line there. Now, you have to be a bit generalizing. The areas we have still no, omo, problem, canals, street lights.
Oh, you buy na bebre adum
and traffic lights also come.
You buy na bebre adum any traffic lights na. Now problem ni na you say the ntema any before you frustrated and we done na the share your con you say. Who fix ya na go for twitwa cables. That's the problem. And what do we do to fix it? The area was here replacing many of them with solar. Solar need there. Untimi ko front no kakosɛn no. And what I free KM. E dey far Vienna city animu ho there be see 100 roundabout. Approvals ni bibia go through KM I replace e ho ni nyina with solar. A free rich condos be fa kyerwa ba rate dynamic side only na ora under KM they replace a ho ni nyina with solar. The same solution. Solar and e be say convert so full line di nyina de ko. Ye ba ye na free Anaga junction e de kwa akosi a Prade junction na ho nyina dum.
Okay.
MC Oforikrum. And
so that.
yes, and then the legacy allocations to be no the year sa stretch ni na akosi a Prade junction. Just so yeah the same thing. But from a whole core just no more transformer be a 40. And the load ni go so 3 days na sa core. And the ama ECD for no air replacement of the Amaya. Then we are able to fix from a Prada junction all the way through to Akoma Swami, Honorable Frank, Uzuansa. While fixing the area hold you in the and the about 2 years do me. Do I was fixing in Nano. You go so I fix it. The car a year swimming na the office and Makubian. Minas, ye converted their Kosula, said the Makacho. Traffic lights, a similar problem by an attack police station, traffic light, accidents be buying fix it. Body junction, any a hona as a appeared to an body, and also so you're buying a body. I'm just mentioning them so that you know, say, Poku transport now safe for almost 6-7 years. Now, there be American my boss at that, because I mean,
I did well.
He had to sit down with KNUS, and I'm proud of the physics department to help us give us a fix. And fix on the mind, and again, no more converting in a new system, a solar, and depending on national grid whatsoever. And the time beyond a dinamua and 1 year juma. Okay. KMA and Nimuho, and also KM and Nimuha, no offer, one to answer, ni controls and offers Zuba and a buy and fix here. Your friend and say, Amakom, Ediba Stadium side when Asokwa court hall. I court hall, you know, Nina Nadu. Yeah. Who free Asokwa, my uncle, ho, Ediba Asokwa interchange, Nancy winning as our traffic, street lights in Nadu. You buy an ebesoy. The Akas see a young Juma, the flyover Nesrono. Once I see any the lighting a sono, and also a cable problems since and so you tender in request for solar street lighting to be able to fix it. It's not your buying street lighting, I can but be an eye to and that minimum Bertram have tried to fix it.
And now I told to stretch in the crowd. I told you stretching me traffic light here, Juma. After a honor and the honor or hand you over, contract and hand you over in my government. Oh, okay.
That's the difficulty. And I want to mean use government funds to go and fix a problem that is under contract already. And we a street light assembly, okay. Traffic light. Oh, okay. Until you can't project no contract and they say on also here. One also here. But also patches say no about than a years our project. On patches or move into Anaka. They will not here. Omuntua ne car was submit a year or expect to say government they should be pushing. Now omotua de amano. And you so any attorney road minister come once and say those say omeboka gu but today omunya no ntua my because timamofo benya ho faso. Okay. And intimi for government can come. Okay. I see. In fact, programs manager am I about 10 minutes being tea. Yamon tell once a manager also about around. Yamon tell Yami Adoma fufu party no. Minister Babi Yami Adoma 22nd. But minister two things. Market. Market ne kan no. Crow from Yamoso
phase 2 yeah moso but I hope it in be 2 minutes I am
Grow from no KMA a 24-hour economy project.
Okay.
The year grow from.
Okay.
Now can say same arrangement from Amponte market.
Okay.
But man soon be that so you diagram. It doesn't Amponte in market to cry.
As a contractor near stubborn power or
Yeah, the national security. I'm not sure direction how to handle it here, no more handle. But for now, no more yeah, a blue do man for their mom. Yeah, Kidja phase 2. At the same contractor
Akoma FM 87.9
conference maternity block no.
Okay.
Contractor.
Okay.
Those were summative variations are here try for PPA finance ministry approvals. Sebe bit me approve this variation am not their bahum. But person be say afaridiana make so we ja can $500,000 and so variations is 78 million any other I buy to me sign the time and they say obi e dey share e got now as minister no way in Nema also with me supporting no making sure say paper works be other now
okay.
And as I speak with you now, local government ministry and the finance ministry, they are working on that. Once we get a commitment on that, we'll give you an update. But as I speak with you now, go from now, your
commitment for that. And also at the end, now, chronom a Frencho. Obi asend message say membusa ho asem a anopama me nka ho asem bi because ma ka ho asem pa se kwan na me kwan na minister ba na ma ntima membusa no ho asem na je se kwan na me boa
omo aye so am interchange na committee omo
na be to aso ma se omo bre o
enti yeah ma engage urban rules for saying omo compare temporal fix mo while they are working towards that.
Okay.
By what you say
mo be ho adwuma de aba anyway nti Emilia say me Sir John please yeah the party for nti no mpacho ka kire ne say one media monitors see serial callers no ka kire no wonte ya me Emilia say me kan kire say one omo media monitors no
yes ya che
o say ya ahwe na ye bibia fine mo na omo nso so akoma
media monitors pia o na tie ni bo media monitors, communicators, TikTokers, social media, more the anime.
Okay.
I'll do the needful.
Okay. Minister, security this week. Now you share boys or more titimutu areas in the region. But you can't so quite police at 200 more. And writing information so much in the Pemienu. Science in those areas. But your Rexec. Ade na mo ye because ye die lines is here report be banya sem ketwa ahomache areas a ho ye din no awia
the we nkrofo
yeah tutu obi kutatuo ne nsekan a de attack nkrofo jom ho ne ma
enti sa crimes e koso ni na no many of the unsolved or unresolved cases no thankfully under IGP 87.9 crack down on many of these crimes that occurred. First was with the Momo coordinated attacks. Cartel in the actual as I speak with you now. Gang leader Nankasa no Oboko. The associates no whatever. And Ambakos Wakaswa. And the informants Wokumasi, including a woman who was part of the syndicate.
Wow.
Who are being prosecuted. There was also another cartel that was doing snatching of Toyota Hilux pickups. And the motors near at someone no baby or copacare near the twist near and moving some of the next home be your more nanka boko and semno kusasini a comedy my problem. Safon so achom be shooting 100 comes to actual. The Abuaya yet me handsome with all these here with regards to CCTV cameras now you're increasing in town. There were department there friend Ghana Signal Bureau. Omoye station in the region, a whole complex all together. Omo Eshe sitting in real time.
Oh, okay.
And there are more recruitments of young IT students, graduates, among others, or more bua or more indirect. And they have enough screens that in real time they are watching the city and the region and the country and the monitoring whatever is happening. And they rather call the police and tell you there's an ongoing crime here. So they have more TV. And we can only say you can't hide anywhere in this country if you want to commit a crime.
Okay.
In crime prevention also, we are increasing police visibility. We are now saying Black Maria about town just to be able to bring crime rates down. It was a drugs also a chief driver of crimes. And do operations be Tinker Island, rehabilitation together with NACOC. These are all avenues where to make sure say bringing it down. Definitely, you can say crime zero community. But the point is that how are we preventing them, and if how are we investigating?
And tonight, Busa said, "Bekai idea na swasi de ne ba no mo say nipa moto time be nipa mi no ntimi international. Is this something na no ye targeted at aswasi nti once it is done no intimi and try that thing within across the region now.
As and when you see free movement, oko countries ni biswa motorbike officially accepted and well regulated means of transport for many of them. Even bicycle one of the areas, and you can't overly restrict many of these things except when it becomes of security importance, and especially those who do not use any lights outrightly against the law, those who are unregistered, and many of the crimes any registered, any lights, any these using those motorbikes. It is still enforced.
Okay.
But the strict restrictions say you can't pick an additional person and all that. We are not really enforcing that.
Okay.
But definitely we'll pick you be making sure any no helmet in terms of road safety among others.
Mercy say, Sir John, if I do Musa transportation issues, you 1 minute, Minister. Transportation fair increments.
Illegal fair 19 Metro Mass new bus fleet. I go town area.
Okay. I started
okay. And the Metro Mass. STC also procure be so that we give an alternative.
Okay.
And that's what I say. And one thing who say driver for statistics to show that is here to show them more you don't complaining or more complaining or more bushing for complaining and more harass or and all that. And then so whilst that enforcement is ongoing, let's give an additional warranty. Metro Mass for the 19 number.
Okay.
Additional ones so I'm quite sure, but in other available buses and transportation opportunities.
Okay.
At form.
When you say that's it. Therefore, you're common to see her. Minister, so about Crantibia next month, Robesaba, Nadia Kaba. But one more concerns about questions about you. Yes, Medemana, what to one Monty. Yami had much Nebisia. Tony Bess, that's any team no, or my 20 minutes. We are done. Yami had much channel pa. Why?
I said, love you. Akoma from Fufu Party. Kayo, you free. And Fianumni, and Akoma FM, Amoakohene Santemai, and the Kanamai at the Fufu free. I had the biggest Fufu Party. Our Ghana, a Fiji apostle. Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi. And a Badu Pako shop. Ejumadian Assassin. Jumadian apostle, our Asoko Municipal Assembly. I am opposite Makion Pentecost. New Asafo MHHS. School Park and so on. Akoma Fufu Party, so Poso Boye. My punchy. Portia, Atsosotia, I am none and opposite of the boy. Frey, I was 0246 766060. And the 5th edition of Akoma Fufu Party. Kaisa date, I am Saturday, 22nd August 2026. Akoma Fufu Party, I am proudly sponsored by Promo Tomato Mix. So your local food, so your continental food. Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi. Tomato Mix. Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi. And comfortable, long-lasting dryness. Open the tour. 0544 726882. Or here is seasoning powder. Your flavors at the chicken, beef, goat, jollof, ginger, garlic, spaghetti, and a shrimp. 0244 525908. Last show insecticide powder. Ekumo Amoa, Yomutu, Yomananfo, 0246 519012. Medima Forba Clinic, Dr. Time Tasso, and Buakago. Also the government hospital, 0244 774 282. Body Crown, fresh and frozen foods. Yawayetiase, Otit Ayetiase Market, or purchase.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I was 0542 769 251. Gentleman Dental Clinic or Atonsu High School Junction. The Pacha Basin was sama. Akodai Gentleman Dental Clinic 0559 139582. Grow Fiber Tonic makes you grow fine. Yeah, the Ghana, yeah, Coco, and I 0244 596532. And Akoma Peters, no, that your natural helps here, and a dia 0245 105476. Akoma from Fufu Party, Opa, over the and quite different. Paya at Piasa, Kumasia Baby or two Fufu, on an Epa, Poabe Fono, Nemokai.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Free.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Fufu.